Hello students, I welcome you to Grade Up Classroom. Are you preparing for CAT 2020? Grade Up has something special for you. If we look at the tentative examination date of CAT, it is assumed that it is going to be held on 29th of November 2020. You have 187 days left for the examination from today. If you had scored 187 in CAT 2019, any guess how much percentile would you have secured? You would have secured around 99.8 plus percentile. So are you targeting 99 plus percentile in CAT? So let's have a look at this. If we talk about CAT from 2015 to 2019, for the past 5 years, the pattern has remained the same. It consists of 100 questions, maximum marks 100, 3 marks for each correct response and 1 mark for each wrong answer. Okay. The duration of the test is 3 hours, 1 hour for each section. And there are certain questions called type in type answers that have no negative marking. So if you look at the pattern of CAT from 2015 to 2019 section wise, in verbal ability and reading comprehension, that is VARC, we have 34 questions, so 102 marks. DI and LR, 32 questions, 96 marks, and quantitative aptitude, you have 34 questions, again 102 marks. So a total of 100 questions, 300 marks, 1 hour allotted for each section, and this is the order of sections. Now let's look at some of the facts about CAT 2019. So CAT 2019 had 24 questions on reading comprehension. Out of 34, 24 questions were on reading comprehension and there were 5 RP sets. Rest of the 10 questions were in the verbal ability and 7 out of them were type in type questions. Other questions constituted of para-jumbles, para-summary, odd sentence out. Okay. Now, talking about the DILR section, there are 32 questions which consist of 8 sets of 4 questions each. Okay. Out of these 32 questions, 2 sets or 8 questions were type in type questions. And when we talk about the quantitative aptitude section, out of 34 questions, there were 11 questions of type in type. So all in all, you had 7 plus 8 plus 11, that is 26 questions where there was no negative marking. Okay. Are you preparing for CAT 2020 and want to secure 99 plus percentile? So Grade Up has brought a course for you in which the mentors themselves are serial CAT crackers. They themselves have secured above 99 percentile section wise overall on multiple occasions. So if you get guidance of these great mentors, I'm sure you would be able to secure a good score in CAT. So the course is named as Core 99 Plus. It is a comprehensive course which will run for a period of 6 months. We have more than 150 live classes which will also come up with interactive quizzes. So post every class you will be given a quiz to attempt. We'll be providing you 45 plus mock tests for CAT and other MBA examinations. So it will not only cater to CAT but also to other MBA examinations. Apart from that, you will be given topic quizzes and PDFs for revision. There will be total more than 8,000 practice questions for these examinations. Now let's talk about our expert faculty. First is Jatin Agrawal. He is a quant and DILR expert. He has over 15 years of experience in teaching for CAT and GMAT. So he has taught aspirants for CAT as well as GMAT, and he has scored 99 plus percentile in quant and DILR sections, both the sections on multiple occasions, not even one. And scoring 99.9%, it's not that easy. Vikas Dahiya, he's a quant and DILR expert, again with over 15 years of experience for teaching for CAT and GMAT. He has also scored 99 plus percentile in quant and in several other MBA examinations like XAT. We have Ashish Tiwari, who is a quant and DILR expert. He is an MBA from MDI Gurgaon, one of the top B schools in India, and he chose to be into this profession in order to help aspirants get their dream B school. He has he has scored 99 plus 9 percentile in quant and DILR sections of CAT on multiple occasions, and in CAT 2019 he had an overall score of 99.92 percentile. And Vikas Dahiya had in XAT 2020 he had 99.998 percentile in quant section. So these are your great mentors. Now adding to the list, we have Vijay Jha, who is a quant and VARC expert. He has over 15 years of experience in teaching for CAT. He has scored 99.9 plus percentile in quant and VARC, which is a rare combination. You don't see a person equally good in quant and VARC, that good that he scores above 99.9 plus percentile in these two sections, and that too on multiple occasions. Then we have Pranav Pant. He is an MBA from FMS Delhi, which is one of the top B schools in India. He has also secured 99.9 plus percentile in quant and DILR sections on multiple occasions. His CAT 2019 score was 99.96 percentile, and he had also secured 100 in DILR in CAT 2016. So he is another CAT expert. Then we have Savitri Krishnamurthy. She is an English expert. She has a vast experience. You can see she has taught for over 26 years now. She has a teaching experience, vast teaching experience for teaching English language for various competitive examinations. She has scored 99 plus percentile in VARC section of CAT on multiple occasions. Then we have Sanojam Dasobanta. He is again an English expert. He has 17 plus years of experience teaching English, and he is again 99.9 plus percentiler in VARC section on multiple occasions. So you can see that we have the best team ever for CAT, all of them securing 99.9 plus percentile in their respective sections, be it QA, be it DILR, or be it VARC. So won't you want to study with these mentors who have themselves cracked the examination several times and know the examination in detail, what are the type of questions asked, what should be the strategies to crack these examinations? So this is the best team you can ever get to prepare for an examination. Now the course is going to start from 27th of May. The demo classes will start from 27th of May. You can view these classes, and if you feel that this course is worth buying, you can purchase the course. The actual course classes will start from 10th of June. So for 2 weeks we have these demo classes going on. If you find this is going to be useful, if you like the demo classes, you can go ahead and purchase this course. Okay, and the timetable of this course is available in the description box below. Now talking about the mock test, what all mocks will be providing along with this course. So we'll be giving 10 mocks for CAT, 5 for that, and several mocks for other MBA examinations. So total in 45 mocks in total. So we'll be covering around 9 to 10 MBA examinations and will be providing 45 mocks. Now, how to join this course? So first, you have to download GradeUp app. You can also use desktop to log in. Okay, so in that app, you will have an option of classroom. Okay, so go to this classroom option. In this, you select the category as CAT and MBA, and you will be able to see this course, Core 99 Plus. You can go to View Course and then Start Free Trial. So once you start the free trial, you get enrolled in the course, and once you find that these classes are helpful, the demo classes are good enough, and you will be able to secure good score in CAT, so you can purchase the course. Now this is how the dashboard of your course will look like. So you will have the live class schedule, at what time, what classes you will have. Okay. Then if you navigate to the study plan tab, you will get day-wise classes. So on which day, which class, at what time. Okay. So you will be able to see the schedule in study plan. Then the next tab is content tab. So in this content tab, you will be able to see what all chapters are present. Okay. And you will be able to see the subtopics within them. Then you have a doubt section. If you feel you have any doubts, okay, you are free to ask. Okay, that's your right. Since you are paying for the course, you have the right to ask your doubts. So you have a doubt section in which you can add images as well. You can click photos of questions and post them as doubts, or you can type in your questions. The doubt could be academic or course related. Suppose if you are facing some technical issue with the course, you can post that as a doubt. If you want some strategy related thing or any other doubt related to the course, you can ask that. You can ask academic doubts as well. So you have the liberty to add images and post as a doubt, and the experts will get back to you at the earliest. Then you have a tab for report card. You can check your report cards here, and this will show your attendance, how much attendance you have, what all classes have you attended, what all quizzes you have taken, what all mocks you have attempted. Okay, so this will be a summary of your performance with respect to other students who are enrolled in the course. So why are you waiting for this course? You can start your free trial now. If you have any queries, you can call on this number to get updates, to get details on any of the queries that you have related to the course. So in order to enroll for the course, you visit our site. Okay, in that classroom section, click on CAT and MBA section and click on the view course option to start the course. So the screenshot which I showed you were for app, and if you are logging, if you are using your desktop or laptop, you can follow this process. Go to GradeUp, choose classroom section, and in the menu you choose CAT and MBA, and within that you will get an option to view the course. You can access the classes via PC, or you can access using our Android app. So you have either you can use a computer or your phone to access live classes. To start the free trial of this course, click on the link which is given in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on all the videos that we have for CAT and other MBA examinations. So thank you and have a nice day.